Welcome to Vital Pulse Hub, your go-to for all things health and wellness. Today we're tackling the topic of hiccups. These pesky disruptions can appear out of nowhere, but fear not, we have 10 proven methods to stop them in their tracks. First, hydrate slowly. Sipping on a glass of water can regulate your breathing and halt those frustrating hiccups. Second, try holding your breath. This increases carbon dioxide levels in your bloodstream, easing the stomach spasms causing the hiccups. Third, rinse with cold water. This can stimulate the nerves at the back of your throat, interrupting the hiccup reflex. Fourth, try drinking a glass of cold water upside down. It may sound odd, but it can disrupt the hiccup reflex. Fifth, breathe into a paper bag. This increases carbon dioxide intake and can regulate your breathing. Sixth, snack on a lemon. The sour taste can stimulate your throat nerves and halt the hiccup reflex. Seventh, apply pressure to your stomach. A gentle massage under your rib cage can relax the muscle causing hiccups. Eighth, distract yourself. Engaging in a distracting activity can sometimes halt the hiccup reflex. Ninth, sip on vinegar. This can stimulate your throat nerves, potentially stopping hiccups. Lastly, try acupressure. Applying pressure to specific points on your body can regulate nerve impulses and alleviate hiccups. Remember, hiccups may be common, but they don't have to ruin your day. Try one or more of these 10 methods to regain control of your diaphragm. This is Vital Pulse Hub, helping you take control of your health one tip at a time.